Here's how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Now I have Facebook Messenger opened on my iPhone and Android. I'm going to show you the exact steps to unrestrict somebody if you previously went in and restricted them. So let's say I'm going to go in and restrict this person, Haley, my wife. So after you tap on their message, you can tap on their name at the top. And then just scroll down and you can see towards the bottom is the option to restrict as well as block, but we're going to choose restrict and then restrict. So I've restricted this person. Let's go through the process of unrestricting them. Let me go back out of here, back again, and I'm going to do this on my iPhone and Android. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right, the three lines. And then tap on settings at the top. After you've done that, scroll down until you see the option for privacy and safety. You can see it's higher up on the iPhone and lower down on the Android. Tap on privacy and safety and then scroll down, and towards the bottom you can see restricted profiles. Tap on restricted profiles, and there is Haley. I can just tap on her name and then tap on unrestrict at the bottom. And now all of the messages and everything else will be as if they were back to normal now that I've unrestricted her. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.